Tom, are you still doing it?
Doing what, Anna?
The double work. You hear a sentence in English, you translate it to your language, you think of an answer, and then you translate it back to English.
Ouch, you caught me. It's exhausting. It's like my brain is running a marathon just to say hello.
Exactly. And while your brain is running that marathon, the conversation has already moved on. You feel slow, you feel stuck, and you feel frustrated.
That is exactly how I feel. Is there a fast road, Anna, or am I stuck with the internal dictionary forever?
There is a fast road. Today, we are closing the dictionary and opening your English brain. We are going to teach you exactly how to think in English so you can speak naturally without the mental lag.
I am so ready. But wait, before we start the engine.
Oh, you're right, Tom. Hello to our amazing English family watching right now. If you want to stop the translation trap, hit that like button right now so we know you're ready to learn.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Easy English for Beginners channel. We are here every week to help you find your voice.
Okay, Tom, let's look at why translation is your enemy. Imagine your native language is a middleman. Every time you want to say something, you have to pay that middleman with your time and energy.
And he's a very expensive middleman.
He is. So, tip number 1, connect images directly to English.
How? If I see a dog, my brain says the word in my language first. It's automatic.
You have to rewire the circuit. Look at this. An apple appears on screen. Don't wait for your language to say apple. Look at the red skin, the round shape, and just think apple.
So I'm building a bridge from the object to the English word, skipping my language entirely.
Exactly. No middleman. Try this today. Walk around your house, point at things. Chair, table, window. Don't translate, just label the world in English.
Window, chair, table. Hey, I think it's working.
Now, objects are easy, but what about life? What about actions?
That's where it gets hard. I can say apple, but I can't think a whole story.
Yes, you can. You just need to be a narrator. Think of your life like a movie, and you are the person. I am pouring the milk.
Isn't that a bit silly, talking to myself?
It's only silly if you do it out loud at the supermarket. But in your head, it's the best practice in the world. There is zero pressure. No one is judging you. If you make a mistake, who cares?
That's true. No pressure is my favorite way to learn. So I just describe my simple actions all day?
Start small. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes before bed. You're training your English muscle.
Okay, I'm labeling my house and narrating my coffee. What's next, Anna? Give me a secret tip.
Change your phone settings.
No, that's too scary. What if I get lost and can't find my way back to my language?
Relax, Tom. You use your phone 100 times a day. You already know where the buttons are. Your thumb knows where settings is. Your eyes know where messages are.
That's true. I don't really read the words anyway. I just know the icons.
Exactly. So when you see the word settings instead of your language, your brain creates a natural connection. You aren't learning the word, you're using the word.
Wow, so I'm learning English while I'm scrolling through Instagram.
Yes. Change your Facebook, your Instagram, and your phone to English. It forces your brain to stay in the game all day long.
Anna, sometimes when I try to think, I feel like I'm building a 5,000-piece puzzle. I have to find the subject, then the verb, then the grammar. It's so slow.
That's because you're learning words. Stop learning words. Start learning chunks.
Chunks, like pieces of a big steak?
Yes, exactly like that. Don't learn the word hungry. Learn the chunk, I'm hungry.
Why?
Because when you're hungry, you don't want to build a puzzle. You want to eat. If you have the chunk ready in your brain, you just grab it and use it.
It's like a fast food menu. I don't order bread, then meat, then cheese. I just say, give me the burger.
You got it. Learn phrases like, how's it going? Have a nice day. I'm looking for. These are ready-to-use pieces of language.
But Anna, what happens when I don't know a word? That's when the dictionary brain turns back on.
This is the most important part. When you get stuck, don't use a dictionary.
What? But how will I know the word?
Describe it. If you don't know the word for refrigerator, say the big cold box in the kitchen.
The big cold box. That's actually really clear.
It keeps your English light shining. The moment you look at a dictionary in your own language, you turn the English light off.
So guessing is actually a superpower.
It's the best superpower. It teaches your brain to solve problems in English. That is how you become fluent.
Phew, Anna, I feel like my English muscle is already getting bigger.
I can see it, Tom. You're looking very fluent today. Remember, everyone, thinking in English isn't a gift you're born with. It's a habit.
Small steps. Label the world, narrate your day, change your phone, and use chunks.
And most importantly, be brave. It's okay to be slow at first. Your brain is just training at the gym.
We are so proud of you for being here today. If this video helped you, please share it with one friend who is also trying to find their English brain.
Yes, let's grow our family together. And now we have a challenge for you.
Look around your room right now. Pick one object and write its English name in the comments. No translating.
We will be replying to your comments all day. We can't wait to see your English brains in action.
Keep practicing, stay brave, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.